Welcome to the Artificer's Log, one of two journals I'm using to keep myself accountable this year in my game design projects. The other one is the Mage's Journal, but that's more for my tabletop stuff. This one is going to be strictly for my video game projects. It's the beginning of the year, so it's about as good a time as I need to start doing these journals. This year, I'm taking a page out of one of my fiance's favorite games. In Stardew Valley, winter is the perfect time to tear everything down around your farm and start laying down the groundwork for the rest of the year. I've decided to apply this not only to, Stardew Valley and my garden, but also to my game development projects. Last year, I missed almost all of my goals because instead of setting myself up for success, I tried to just will everything into existence. I mean, it kind of worked. I launched my website, published a bunch of 5e magic items, but I made almost no progress in my video game projects. So, instead of aimlessly working on random projects with whatever random free time I have, I've started outlining what work each project requires. And sorry if this next part triggers the software devs out there, I've started making Jira tickets. I know, but listen, hear me out. I use Jira every day and it's a system I'm familiar with. This way, I don't have to try to learn any new project management tools and I can just focus on my work. At least that's what I'm telling myself. And I'm not just making tickets for the dev work, but also for research, for art, for designs, all of that stuff. Hell, I've even thought about making tickets to just remind myself to hey, chill out, don't get burnt out, and play video games. That's a nice Jira ticket, just, hey, today, drink a beer and play God of War. However, no dev work is going to start until these tasks are mapped out. Maybe that'll be the end of February, March, maybe until we're full into spring, into summer. And sure, there's going to be stuff I can't account for, like bugs that pop up, or hey, I decided I want to do another feature in the game halfway through. But I want to make sure I have all the features outlined, everything that I want to actually accomplish mapped out before I just start coding randomly. In the meantime, I'll still be working on my tabletop stuff and working on my website, but I'm determined to launch my first game this year. Nothing big, super simple, but it's gonna happen. So check in on me now and then. Maybe you'll catch me in a moment of genius, or maybe you'll catch me in the middle of a breakdown. Either way, I'll be here. See you later.